So normally this place would be buzzing with kids playing basketball, all that kind of stuff, but obviously at the moment they're using it as a makeshift barangay pass issuing station. But there's nowhere in the Philippines, if you've never been before, there's nowhere in the Philippines where there isn't basketball courts, and it's always the barangay that finances them, because obviously the locals can't afford it. But this is where they get together and have meetings and all sorts. There's Mel's dad. So, look at the wall art. I've just pulled my mask down a little bit. Look at the wall art. There's some really clever kids around here. And I was saying to Mel, I wish we could get a hold of some to do some t-shirts for my channel, for my shop. I keep saying my, look, I'm just going to do it because I'm not going to stop doing it. Our shop. There's some amazing talent. So that's about it, guys. I shall shut this video down once Mel gets our new pass and she can do the end bit to it. So this is what lockdown slowly opening up looks like. The house arrest thing's opening up now, so we're not going to have to worry too much in the next coming weeks, which is good. It's like musical chairs here. They just need the music. Look at that woman there, she just needs a maracas, doesn't she? Once she's got a maracas, she'd look Mexican. So we're doing with distancing anyway with the chairs, as you can see. That industrial fan's like the one I've got up in the bedroom, and it's very disappointing. I can only have it on one setting, otherwise it'd just blow you out of bed, and you can't stop it, so it's focused on you. So Mel's there with a Mickey Mouse mask on. I'm all muffled when I'm talking through the mask, look. I'm muffled. That's better. But they all look happy, don't they? Excuse me. There you go, musical chairs. I just need the music and I'll have a dance. I mean, I was just saying to Mel the other day, it's a bit ironic that I left a country that was full of rules and regulations and expensive. You know, you try and take the kids anywhere and it costs you an arm and a leg. Even parking, you go with somewhere with a car, and you know, it's a big business parking cars. And then I come over to the other side of the world, to the Philippines. I'd love it, for one of the reasons is, you know, you're not buried in regulation. and then look what happens. So I hope things go back to how they used to be, although I'm not holding my breath. But these people know how to get things back to normal, put it that way. Definitely. There you go, Mel's finally at the end of the queue.
MWF, 12 p.m. to 7 p.m.
Monday, Wednesday and Friday.
Yeah.
So we've still got odd days again. You can't go out every day.
No.
Well, that's not
Only
much good, is it?
Same.
So that's it then.
But the difference of this the time. Because before it's 1 o'clock to 6 p.m. and now 12 p.m. to 7 p.m.
So it's been extended a bit.
Yeah, just 2 hours.
Well, just when I thought I was shutting it down, Mel's brought me along here to have a look at this house that's not long been built.
You notice all the houses said they had a second floor.
Yeah, and have you noticed how they obviously run out of money, guys? Alright, we've run out of money. And that's what happens in the Philippines. You see, that wouldn't be allowed in the UK. No, you can't half finish a house.
Look, that's house.
You've got to have the funds to build it. Anyway, nobody in the UK would start and build a house if they didn't have the funds to complete it. It doesn't happen. It's very nice. Seeing these kind of houses are dotted everywhere in between not so nice houses. Well, as you can see here, and there's people living in that.
Huh?
Say there's people living in that house.
Do you know this place?
No.
My cousin.
Yeah.
I know that Alice's sister.
Oh, right, yeah. Oh, is this the back garden? Oh, of course it is. Oh, so this goes to Annie's old house then?
What? No. Just surprise.
See, she's bringing me down here. She didn't even know where she's going. Look.
I forgot.
Yeah, I've been here, but I forgot. Lived here all her life, and even the local surroundings, she doesn't know where she's going. She was asking me. I'll be on the motorbike and she'll say, how do you know where you're going? It's because I remember. I go and I remember. That's about the only time my memory's any good. If I've been somewhere, I can only get back to it.
You can go to Centro today.
For what?
Nothing. You said you missed the Centro.
No, I'll do it. I'll make a video. We've made a video today, haven't we? This is the video for today, so I'll make one in Centro.
It's Wednesday today, so we have you allowed to go out.
Well, I'm going to do a live stream tomorrow at 8 o'clock because
Evening?
No, in the morning, because Ed's 12 hours in front of us and he wants to be on the live stream, so I said I'd do one at 8.
Edward?
No, not that Edward, it's another Edward. He's just all of a sudden decided he wants to participate in the blogs live streams, I mean. Alright, so it just comes back out onto the main road again.
Yeah, that's what I said.
I thought it took you over to your mum's shop. So I'll put the end bit. Oh, that sounds healthy, doesn't it? I'll put you saying please subscribe on the end of this one, so it's going to look a bit strange. Hello, because we're going to be back at the barangay again, because I wasn't going to do this, but I thought you might be interested, so there. So it's over to you, babe.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our videos. Bye.
Bye.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.